so first we need to figure out where our triangle is. So that's going to be the pre-image, okay? So what is the coordinates of A? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 6 is the point A. B is at 2, 1. And C is at 6, 1. Okay? Now, we are going to look at these three bad boys. All right? Here's what I want you to do. You ready? I want you to look at 90 degrees clockwise. So if I'm starting at 2, 6, these are going to flip. And the x is going to become negative. Some of these really confuse kiddos. So we have another strategy, because I tell you I like to give you as many strategies as I can. So what I want you to do is take that patty paper I gave you. I want you to, for sure, every single time you need to draw the axes. You need to draw your shape. And I would definitely at least write one of the letters, if not more than one. Okay? Then, what I want you to do is put your pencil at the origin at 0, 0. Okay? So we have the axes, we have our pencil at 0, 0, and I have the triangle. And rotating 90 degrees clockwise means that it's going this way, and you are going to keep turning until you line the patty paper up with the axes again. And just like on mine, it may not be perfect, right? It's not going to be perfect. I'm not the best, but it'll be pretty darn close. So from there, you can kind of figure out A would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -2. Okay, so this is A, and I can write that in the purple. This is A. B is here, so that's at 1, -2. And C is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? Okay. Again, my triangle did not change sizes. It just changed positions. Okay? And we just kind of talked about it, but again, A prime is at 6, -2. B prime is at 1, -2. And C prime is at 1, -6. Okay? Now let's do the same thing. Luckily, our shape didn't change. So I'm going to go back to where I was. I'm going to line up my shape with the original shape, okay? The original shape, that pre-image. I'm going to put my pencil here, and now I'm going to go 90 degrees counterclockwise, so that means in the other direction. So that means this way, and I'm going to turn until I match up again. I'm going to turn until I match up again. And just like before, I'm not the best drawer. That's okay. Okay? So, man, that line is just really bad, isn't it? A is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, +2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +2. -6, +2. I'm going to just put these on here while I'm doing this just because it's easier. And I'm just coloring that because I'm extra. All right. And then that means B would be at, oh gosh, -1, +2. And C, the last one, is at -1, +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. And now for the last one. Now for the last one. We are going to line it up again with our original. Here's the great thing about 180 degrees. It does not matter which way you go because you will always end up in the opposite quadrant. So I'm just going to go clockwise. So that means 1 time is 90. We already did that. 2 times would be 180. So when I match it up the second time, that's when I'm going to stop it. So A double prime is going to be at -2, -6. -2, -6. And I know this is a lot, but hopefully the patty paper is helping. And B is going to be at -2, -1. And then the last one, C, is going to be at, should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1. Okay. And then I'll connect them. Okay. So -6, -1. And again, you could have gotten those by just using these up here, but sometimes that's really hard for people. So I wanted to give you another option. Okay. So that is what you should have. Let's go.